remaining in one place is no longer an option for those who want to succeed. Global Track, specialists in their field, are a company who believe in change. They continually apply innovation to develop new ideas and turn those ideas into solutions. They now introduce a brand new design concept, the manual pivotal crane system. Before we look at Global Track's pivotal system, let's take another look at how conventional crane systems work. Conventional overhead crane systems are based on a long end carriage, which helps stop the wheels from binding and jamming in the long travel tracks. This makes them difficult to manoeuvre because the whole bridge has to move at the same time. On some internal track systems, the side rails are made to pivot. This allows the bridge to oscillate. The problem encountered with these systems is the side rail movement allows the system to swing, making the load less controllable. Global Track's solution is based on a simple and sound engineering design principle. At the heart of the system is the pivot. This consists of a machine ball which is mounted to a U-bracket. This is attached to a cross-travel bracket with shoulder bolts and needle bearings, and this allows the bridge to move freely with exceptional control and freedom of movement. Loads are transferred through the ball which sits in the lower bearing pivot, and then through the upper ball pivot and carriage to give the bridge greater stability without restricting the crane bridge movement. The external track system uses the same engineering principles as the internal track. You will notice a marked difference between the size of the conventional system and Global Track's new pivotal units. For example, on the 500 kilogram unit, the length of the Global Track end carriage is as much as 50% of the length of the conventional unit, with the weight reduced by as much as 30%, without compromising strength or safety, but reducing the manufacturing cost of the Global Track unit. The real difference is in the pivotal crane's operational characteristics. It is better to see those in a real operating environment. This is one of Global Track's trial sites. We are very fortunate and appreciative of the Geelong companies that have allowed us to trial our products in their factories. This unit has been adapted to the American Gore-Bell system. This shows the versatility and adaptability of the Global Track system. This is the 500 kilogram internal track mounted unit in operation, currently our mid-size unit. Now let's hear how it performs under extreme handling. This is not normally the way we expect operators to use the crane, but it demonstrates how flexible and safe the new unit is. It never jams, and its movement is easy and smooth with all loads.
It's very nice and smooth, very easy to operate with. I find that it's saving my back, my shoulders. It's much easier to use, and it's giving us faster production. We're doing job faster, actually operating, doing doffing, it's much faster than it used to be.
The Global Track crane system is a brilliant design. The device itself weighs around about 300 kilograms plus the product, so the operators are moving approximately 500 kilograms of weight, and with the track taking all that weight and support, and the coefficient of friction in the track system is basically minimal, it's so easy for the operators to manoeuvre, and we've got over 120 people here working on it, and 100% of the people are happy with the whole setup. Very pleased.
We have now moved down the road to air radiators, the second of our trial sites. Here they use an externally mounted track system. The loads handled here range between 50 and 300 kilograms. With these loads on the conventional crane system, there is more effort required to handle the crane's movement. Global Track's 500 kilogram unit. With Global Track's new system, the movement is fluid, smooth and positive. This crane bridge was installed in minimal time, using existing tracks and making it quick, cheap and easy to install.
Air radiators have a long association with Greg Mackay and more recently his new business Global Track. Greg has developed a manual bridge crane system which is Australian designed and manufactured. It is cost effective through its quick installation and its less downtime.
First thing I noticed, it was a lot easier to use. Move around, wasn't sticking. It's a lot easier on your body, you don't have to put any force into it to move it. The load stays fairly stable. The other advantage with it is you can move it from either end of the monorail without it jamming up on you.
Well, I set up Global Track about 12 months ago, once I got the system developed, which we've spent about 5 years developing, and we've now got it to market stage. It's a system where the bridge can rotate, oscillate and articulate. I know that sounds a fair lot for one bridge to do, but it actually can do all those things. And when we put it to patent, we got the provisional patent in Australia, and then we went for the worldwide provisional patent. 25 claims were put in, and 25 claims got through. I got notification from Switzerland the other day that the system is unique, worthy to industry, and from comments like that from a round the world patent, I feel it's going to be a good goer.